What's up, YouTube? Well, this will be a little bit of an unboxing video, at least for me. I ordered, first off, this 10-pound thing of Vitonate. This is huge. Look at that. The thing's just big. So, it's a pretty big jug of Vitonate. Honestly, this is my favorite substance. I honestly love this. It's great. This stuff is just like miracle stuff. It works for everything, literally. Primates, everything, exotics. Osteoform SA. This is also great stuff. And here, it's literally like a new thing. That's my name. Letter too. Pretty sweet. Do I have a letter opener per se up here? Oh crap. I might not have a letter opener. I got something. I think I got something. Got my little knife. I'll read this letter really quick. See what's up. Basically, I ordered vitamins because I think I was running low and I wanted to stock up more. Here, hold up for 2 seconds. It's hard I don't have any nails. Alright. Just gonna pull it hard right now. Alright, here we go. Just a thank you. This is from Suncoast Gliders. I ordered it just because I wanted to get some stuff from them. Thank you. If I'm magnet. Oh, cool. Give me a little Sure Glider magnet. For free. They're great. Grateful patronage and signed by Lisa. Cool. So, they're very good. This is who I trust with my gliders, and honestly, it's been doing great. Great time since I've trusted them. Okay, so the first thing is this little thing. It's meant to go either way on the cage. So this is going to be my glider's like Christmas present, so to speak. So it goes upside down, or you put it down like that in the bottom of the cage, and the gliders can go on. It's like a Contempo something. So that's pretty cool. The other thing was Possum Milk Replacer. Those were vitamins because I was running low. I actually ordered 2 suckers because I know I was running low, so I wanted 2. Lastly is this little thing. This is a little coconut hide type thing. So this kind of just goes down like that. It hangs, and then that little ladder goes out to the side, and the gliders can just run across it. So it's really, really cool. I just hope my gliders don't chew the cord, and then all of a sudden they're stuck in a coconut hide. That'd be kind of funny, but or the coconut hide drops. That would be really funny, actually. But no, that looks awesome. It really does. And those are the 2 presents I'm gonna give my gliders. And that's pretty much that on the little unboxing video. Took a while though. Alright, later.